These 11 businesses will be popular in the next 20 years. COVID-19 has unbelievably impacted the world's business history. People are switching into businesses more than ever. That's why today, we have got these 11 business ideas that will be popular in the next 20 years. Number 1. 3D printing. 3D printing is one of the most potential businesses in the future. As our world is getting advanced in technology, within the next 20 years, 3D printing will rule the business field. It is predicted that in the future people will print the product in a 3D printer instead of buying them from a store. 3D printing would give mankind a new way to look and experience the product and service market like never before. This business idea has every potential to grow in the future, as there are consumers available who would like to experience and explore the products or services before investing money in the same. Number 2. Online education. COVID-19 has brought a revolution in our education system. During this pandemic, online education has earned many people's love and trust. It is one of the greatest demands nowadays as people are shifting to online platforms for better opportunities. Online education-related business ideas like e-teaching, e-tutoring, online courses, e-training, and different other courses will get higher in the demand chain by the next 20 years. Also, most educational institutions have already started their educational activities over the internet. So we assume that the demand for online education is not decreasing anytime soon. Number 3. Cybersecurity. People are obsessed with technology nowadays. People have been sharing their photos, debit and credit card numbers, likes, dislikes, and other information on the internet, which is causing more cybercrime. So owning a cybersecurity organization can help people to protect their data from hackers. So maintaining safe security and privacy would be a demanding business in the future. The demand for protecting private data, protecting databases, computers, smartphones, and applications are increasing highly. By 2040, there will be a great business field for cybersecurity. Number 4. Blockchain. Blockchain is one of the most hyped business ideas for the future. Specialists already have high hopes for this technology. Everyone agrees with the fact that blockchain will be the most important technology in the future. It is already used in banks for increasing accuracy and facilitating the transmission of information. The basic use of blockchain is in cryptocurrency. It is also used to secure critical insurance and voting over the internet. Number 5. Robot production. There is no wonder that robots will be a part of our life shortly. This huge niche will be used in every area of our life. Within the next 20 or 30 years, robots will take care of children, the elderly, and disabled people. They will clean the house and do everything as you want. So we believe that providing and selling robots will be a great success in the future. Programming, plugins, and operating systems will be in great demand within the next 20 years. Number 6. Medical equipment and manufacture. Medicine is a business for a lifetime. These medicines need to function. The accessories, items, and equipment will also need to be manufactured in the future. As we have seen recently, masks and gloves have established a billion-dollar business. It is promising that in the next 20 years the business will blossom even more. Number 7. Solar power. Solar power and research on the adoption of this as a business idea would be a great idea. Various countries and their governments are providing specialized services to this issue, and they are eager to switch to solar power. In the future, there will be vehicles running with solar-powered batteries. Number 8. IT. Information and technology are in higher demand from the beginning, and it's confirmed that they will be in demand for the future also. Now, it is a part of our regular life. Setting up a business will professionals from the IT department with technical skills and abilities would help in equipping yourself with a business for the furniture. Number 9. Mental health care centers. The taboo about mental health is decreasing day by day as people are raising awareness about it. Mental health holds the power to instigate and foster physical health also. Therapists and psychologists are highly in demand nowadays, and the percentage will increase more. That's why opening a mental health care center will be a good option in the future. Number 10. Organic food. Organic food will be one of the most essential and successful future company concepts. Organic food trucks, organic restaurants, organic fast food, boxes, and subscriptions will be a good way to succeed in the next 20 years. Number 11. Plastic Recycling Organization. This is one of the most promising successful business ideas. The number of used plastics on Earth is threatening, and scientists are finding a way out to stop the damage. So if your organization recycles plastics with gadgets that will bring you long-term success, this is only on the increased pace all around the globe, providing a business opportunity. Hope these business ideas will help you in the near future.